Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf, or Mr. English, and in today's class we're going to talk a little bit about countries and their nationalities. So let's get started. The first example I have for you, I use the UK flag, is England. English. So the country is England. The nationality is English. So if you want, you can repeat the next ones after me, okay? France, French. Brazil, Brazilian. The US, American. Germany, German. South Africa, South African. China, Chinese. Portugal, Portuguese. Italy, Italian. Canada, Canadian. India, Indian. South Korea, Korean. Spain, Spanish. Syria, Syrian. Now guys, these are just some examples, but I will put a list that you can take a look at all the countries, the nationalities, and the languages. So I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to do the activities, and remember, always use your English. Bye-bye.